Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Among Us app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. When just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, click on apps, come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Among Us here app. So you just click on it, or you click on search here. So then here add Among Us app, so it's going to show for you like this. Click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK here. So then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, you search here for Among Us, it's going to show for you like this. You will find your update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking